jurado number 1. Our jurado number 1 is a beauty queen, an active community volunteer leader. She is the reigning Woman of the World 2024, the owner of Pearls Nikay Collection, and Queen Bee International. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Queen Pearly Delfino Alejandria. Our second judge, he is a student admission counselor at Walls College UAE, one of our major sponsors. Andito na, napakahusay nito. Galing dati siyang admission counselor at Lasal at Lasal, Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Sir Archie Tabuyo. Our next judge is a seasoned Muppet teacher, a counselor presently working at UIPS, United International Filipino Private School, UAE. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm applause to Ma'am Lance Tibidad. And to complete our set of jurado for tonight, everybody knows her. Kung kailangan niyo ng driving license, she is the rightful person to contact with. In fact, your Woman of the World, take one lamang sa kanyang driving license. It's all because of this lady driving instructress. An influencer, a champion singer, the Imelda Papin of UAE, Ma'am Nora Maniguez. Gusto niyo ba ng sample mamaya ng mga classic Imelda Papin songs? And syempre makakasama natin our teen idol champion, my daughter Atasha. She won't be sitting as jurado, but